Here is a winter weather bulletin for the following county: Marathon, Wisconsin. Ice storm warning in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Sunday. Significant icing expected. Total snow and sleet accumulations up to 1 inch and ice accumulations between 0.2 and 0.6. The highest totals will be across the northern portion of the county. The areas impacted include Marathon County. The hazardous conditions are expected from 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Sunday. Impacts: significant ice accumulation on power lines and tree limbs may cause widespread and long-lasting power outages. Expect power outages and tree damage due to the ice. Travel could be impossible. Travel is strongly discouraged. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Prepare for possible power outages. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Do not touch down lines and report any power outages to your electric company. Travel is highly discouraged due to slick roadways and the possibility of down trees and power lines.